Dear children, 8th class English medium NMS previous year question papers algebra questions solve of algebra. So 29th question, if P is equal to T through T 3 to the power of 2015 plus T 3 to the power of minus 2015 and Q is equal to 3 to the power of 2015 minus 3 to the power of minus 2015, then P square minus Q square is equal to how much? So that is the question. If P is equal to 3 to the power of 2015 and 3 to the power of minus 2015 and Q is equal to 3 to the power of 2015 and minus 3 to the power of minus 2015, then find P square minus Q square. So answer, it is very easy, dear children. Let 3 to the power of 2015 is equal to x and 3 to the power of minus 2015 is equal to y. So let it, this is x and this is y. Okay. Now P is equal to, as you know, that 3 to the power of 2015 plus 3 to the power of minus 2015. So this is x na. Okay, x plus this is y, you know. So this is y. Okay, y. So P is equal to x plus y. Similarly, Q is equal to how much? 3 to the power of 2015 minus 3 to the power of minus 2015. So this is x minus this minus minus, so this is y. Now P square minus Q square is equal to P square minus Q square. So this is P x plus y and this is Q x minus y. Therefore x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. So x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square minus, and this is x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So open the bracket, x square plus 2xy plus y square. So minus into plus minus x square and this minus into minus plus 2xy and minus into plus minus y square. So plus x square minus x square gets cancelled, plus y square minus y square gets cancelled. This is 2xy and this is 2xy, both are positive. So 4xy. So what is x? X is equal to 3 to the power of 2015. So in place of x you write 3 to the power of 2015 into what is y? 3 to the power of minus 2015. 3 to the power of minus 2015. Okay. So 4 into 3 to the power of, so this into this, therefore we can add these exponents, because a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. You know this formula. Okay, with help of this formula we can add these. Okay, so 2015 minus plus minus of 2015, which is equal to 4 into 3 to the power of 0, because this is positive and this is negative, gets cancelled and it is 0. So which is equal to 4 into 1, y 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, that you know. So therefore this is 4. So P square minus Q square is equal to 4. This is the answer. Children, see 31st question, 31 question. If 4x2 plus 236 is equal to 7y8. 4x2 and 7y8 are 3-digit numbers, and 7y8 is multiple of 3, then the value of x is dash. So we have to find the value of x. So see once again, 4xy, this is 400x2, so this is 10th place, okay, plus 236 is equal to 700y8. So this y is in place of tens, and 4x2 and 7y8 are 3-digit numbers, and 7y8 is a multiple of 3, then the value of x is equal to dash. So here see, answer 400x2 236 is equal to 700y8. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number, this is 3-digit number given that. So 3-digit numbers, this is, and these are 3-digit numbers. Okay, and 700y8 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so here multiple of 3 means this number is divisible by 3. As we know that the divisibility of 3, what is divisibility of 3? Divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digits in a number is multiple of 3, then that number is also divisible by that 3. What is the divisibility of 3? If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So therefore it is multiple of 3 means it is divisible by 3. So sum of the digits. So what are the sum of the digits? Seven plus y plus 8 is equal to how much? 15 plus y. So this 15 is multiple of 3. Okay, therefore this value may be 15 plus 0 or 15 plus 3, 18. Okay, or 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, or 15 plus 9 is equal to 24, like this. So the value of y may be 0, 3, 6 or 9, because if we add all these 15 plus y, so 15 is a multiple of 3. So therefore this if 708 is also divisible by 3, therefore 700. Okay, so 708. Okay, 708 is a multiple of 3. If we put 3 in place of y, that is 738, it is also multiple of 3, and 768 it is also multiple of 3, and 798 it is also multiple of 3. So these are the multiples of 3. So therefore the value of y may be 0, 3, 6 or 9. Okay, so let me check which number is suitable. Okay, so here which is the suitable one, whether 708 or 738. So this value may be this one or this one or this one or this one. This value may be among any one. Okay, and what is our target? Our target is to find the value of x. By guessing the value of y, we have to find the value of x. Suppose if you put 0 here, 708. When it becomes 0, if you add something to the 3, here we are getting 0 and carry is 1, because 4 plus 2 is 6. If there is some carry, then only 4 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So therefore, if you add this one, sum of these 3 and x must be 10, then it is 0 and carries 1. Okay, so therefore 4 plus 7 plus 2, 478, 472 plus 236. Suppose add these, it is 8 and it is 10, carry 1 and it is 7. Okay, so this is multiples of 3 and this is value of x. So this 7, the value of x is equal to 7. So this is the answer. So there is a this is the way to find very easily. So we have to think logically, then only we get the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. 32 question, if x square plus xy is equal to 12 and y square plus y plus xy is equal to 8, then find the possible value of x plus y. So we have to find the value of x plus y. We have to find the possible value of x plus y. So this answer is very easy. Add these two equations, x square plus xy plus y square plus y plus xy. So this is equal to 8, 12, this is equal to 12, okay, plus this is equal to 8. So it is 20. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Now add these two. So x square plus this is y square plus and this xy 2xy plus x plus y. So consider these three terms and these two terms. So this is equal to 20, you know. Now this is this can be written as x plus y whole square. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so it can be written as x plus y whole square plus x plus y. Now see, this is x plus y whole square and this is plus xy. So take x plus y common on both sides. Okay, among these, take x plus y common among these two terms. So what will be remain? X plus y plus 1 is equal to 20. So x plus y into x plus y plus 1 is equal to 20. So this 20 can be written as 4 5s or 4 into 4 plus 1. Okay, observing these and these, you can conclude if you add 4 to the 1, you will get 5. So 5 4s are 20. So here x plus y into x plus y plus 1. So definitely x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, this is the answer. Multiply minus 5 x square y into minus 2 by 3 x y squared z into 8 by 15 x y z whole square and minus 1 by 4 z. So we have to multiply these terms. Okay, answer minus 5 x square y into minus 2 by 3 x y square z into 8 by 15 x y z square into minus 1 by 4 z. Okay, now minus 5 x square y into minus 2 by 3 x y square z into 8 by 15 x y z square into 1 by 4 z. So here 5 ones are 5 threes are. Okay, now 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay, now is there any common so that we can no? So now minus 1 x square y into minus 2 by 3 x y square z into 2 by 3 x y z square minus 1 z. Okay, minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus and plus into minus minus, minus. Okay, now 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 by 3 3s are 9. So x square into x into x. Okay, x to the power of 4, y into y square into y. So y to the power of 4 and z into z square into z. So z to the power of 4. So the answer is minus 4 by 9 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 z to the power of 4. This is the answer for the question. 35 question. If three numbers are in the ratio 1:2, 2:3 and sum of the cubes of three number is 98,784, then the three numbers are dash. Once again, if three numbers are in the ratio 1:2, 2:3 and sum of the cubes of three numbers is 98,784, then the three numbers are dash. So we have to find the three numbers with help of these two given data. Okay, now very easy. Here the ratio of three numbers is equal to 1:2, 2:3. So from this okay, from this the numbers are so 1x and 2x, 3x. So these are the three numbers. Okay, now sum of the cubes of three numbers is equal to 98,784. x cube plus 2x whole cube plus 3x whole cube is equal to 98,784. So x cube plus this is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, so 2 into 2 4 into 8 x 98,784. So 1x cube, 8x cube, 27x cube. So 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 27 36 x cube is equal to 98,784. Now x cube is equal to 98,784. So transpose this 36 to the right side by 36. Okay. Now 6 the 36. Now 6 1s are 6. Now 38 6 the 36. 2 27. 6 4s are 24. Again 3. 6 the 36. Again here 2 24. 6 4s are 24. So now 16 4 6 4 by 6. Again 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. So 4 44. 6 7s are 42. Now it is 2 26. It's 6 4s are 26. Again 2 24. 6 4s are 26. Okay. So x cube is equal to 2,744. Now 2,744 prime factorize this to find the cube of the x cube is equal to this one. So to find x, let prime factorize this. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2 6 are 12, 17 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are again by 2, 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. Now 7 7 4s are 30, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 28 means it is 63, 7 9s are 63, again 7 7s are 49. So x cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7, 7 into 7 into 7. Therefore x is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. So this is thrice and this is thrice, and this is cube root. Therefore x is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So the numbers are x, 2x, 3x. So x is equal to 14, 2x ante 2 into 14, and 3x means 3 into 14, which is equal to 14 and 28, 42. So these are the numbers. Sonu's father age is thrice as old as Sonu. After 12 years, he will be just thrice his daughter age. Then the Sonu present age dash years. After 12 years, he will be just thrice his daughter age. Then Sonu present age dash years. Let Sonu present age is equal to x years. Then her father age 3x, because Sonu's father age is thrice as old as Sonu is given. So after 12 years, Sonu age is equal to present age is 12. After 12 years, x plus 12. Present age is x, and after 12 years, x plus 12. Her father her father age. Present her father age is 3x. After 12 years, 3x plus 12. So here, after 12 years, he will be just thrice his daughter age. So according to the problem, father age after 12 years, father age is equal to 2 times Sonu age. So after 12 years, age of father is 3x plus 12. After 12 years, Sonu age is x plus 12. So father age is equal to 2 times Sonu age. So father age is this one and 2 into the after 12 years age of Sonu. Okay. Now 3x plus 12 and this is 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 12, 24. Now separate this 2x to this side, transpose this 2x to this side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 24. Okay, now transpose this 12 to right side, minus 12. Okay, now 3x minus 2x, x, and 24 minus 12, 12. So present age of Sonu is equal to x years is equal to 12 years. So this is the present age of Sonu.